Hello everyone. Welcome back to your channel Data Vinex. Today we are going to learn about Google Gemini tutorial. Make your first 500 rupees online with zero experience. Making your very first 500 rupees online is the hardest part. Today, I am going to show you how to do it in under 20 minutes using one free AI tool. Welcome back to Data Vinex. In our last video, we laid out the beginner blueprint of 5 free AI tools you can use to generate a daily income. Today, we are executing step 1. We are going deep into the hub and spoke strategy. And this is the first spoke. Building a zero-cost freelance copywriting business using Google Gemini. Every business on the internet needs words, blogs, product descriptions, emails, but business owners do not have the time to write them. You are going to solve that problem, and you are going to get paid for it without writing a single word from scratch. Let's build your asset. Step 1. The digital storefront. First, you need a place to sell your service. Open your Chrome browser and create a free seller profile on Fiverr or Upwork. You are going to set up a gig titled, I will write high-ranking SEO blog posts for your website. Keep your initial pricing low, around 500 rupee to 800 rupee per 500 word article. Your goal right now is not to get rich on day 1. Your goal is to get your first 3 5-star reviews. Once you have reviews, the algorithm will push your profile to more buyers and you can double your prices. Step 2. The client brief and the strategy. Let's look at a real-world example. Suppose a health and wellness website hires you. They need a 500-word article on building muscle on a vegetarian diet, specifically highlighting ingredients like oats and seasonal fruits. Before AI, this would take you 3 hours of research and drafting. With Gemini, it takes 3 minutes. But the secret is not just asking Gemini to write it. The secret is prompt engineering. You have to act as the creative director to get a professional result that the client will love. Step 3. The master prompt. Open Google Gemini. Here is the exact prompt you are going to use. Feel free to pause the video and copy this down. Act as an expert SEO copywriter and fitness nutritionist. Write a highly engaging 500-word blog post about building muscle on a vegetarian diet. Focus heavily on accessible ingredients like oats and seasonal fruits. Use a catchy, click-worthy headline. Break the text up into short paragraphs with clear, bolded H to subheadings. The tone should be authoritative but encouraging. Do not use generic AI language like in conclusion or delve into. Hit enter. Gemini will instantly generate a highly structured, grammatically perfect article that perfectly targets the client's needs. Because you gave it strict parameters, it will sound like a human expert wrote it, not a robot. Step 4. The polish and delivery. This is the most critical step, and it is where most beginners fail. Do not just copy and paste the raw AI output. You are a professional, so act like one. Paste the text into Google Docs or Apple Pages. Read through it once. Adjust any sentences that feel too robotic. Ensure the formatting is clean. And check that the bolded subheadings stand out. Export this document as a clean PDF or Word file and deliver it to your client on Fiverr. You just completed a highly valuable digital service, earning 500 rupees with zero financial overhead and less than half an hour of actual work. Outro and call to action. That is the exact execution for the freelance hustle. Once you master this workflow, you can handle 5 to 10 articles a day. If you haven't seen the original video breaking down the other 4 AI income tools, click the video on the screen right now to watch it. If you got value out of this step-by-step breakdown, hit that subscribe button and let me know in the comments which tool we should deep dive into next. Keep building your wealth, and I'll see you in the next video.